I'm waiting for you to hiccup. Maybe it'll make him go away.
Yes. Oh.
Lindsay, really? Did you eat LeeLee?
She looks really good.
She was so cute. How could you do that?
I always love that in cartoons. How like if somebody got eaten, they would just later. Like there's no digestion going on.
Angry now.
What? I don't think anyone was listening to you.
You're holding them in.
Not that entertaining.
Try and hold your breath.
I just don't want to forget it.
Oh, it's working. Calm that diaphragm. You're holding them in, aren't you?
Did you just shit your pants? Oh, not again.
Well, your hiccups went away. That's nice.
Oh, God, Lindsay.